So we know that in this problem, the train in actuality slows down after 4 hours. So we see that in the graph here, like we get this sort of break in the graph. So instead, the question we're working with here is like, what would have happened if the train had not slowed down? Well, in order to answer that question, we have to know, well, it's not so much what would have happened, it's how long would it take if it had not slowed down. But in order to answer that question, we have to know how fast the train was going. What was the speed of the train? We don't have that information directly in the problem. So let's start by figuring that out. Information we do have in the problem is that, for example, here at 4 hours, we have 220 miles. So we can use that information and calculate miles per hour. It's 55 miles per hour. So that's how fast the train was going. And so we're going to think about, okay, if the train had not slowed down, we would take the 320 miles, which is the total distance, and we would set up an equation kind of like what we see here. 320 equals 55x. So we can divide by 55 on both sides of the equation. When we do that, we get x equals 5.8181 ... So we're going to say x is approximately equal to 5.8. So if the train had not slowed down, it would have reached its destination in about 5.8 hours.